Meet Apricot Crush, a warm, cheerful shade inspired by the soft colors of ripe apricots and summer sunsets. Fresh, vibrant, and full of personality, it's a color that instantly makes every handmade project feel bright and inviting. Bobilon T-Shirt Yarn is made from 100% new cotton jersey. Every strand has a consistent width from beginning to end, with no knots or defects, so your stitches stay neat and even throughout the entire project. It's a pleasure to crochet with, creating a smooth, relaxing crafting experience. Choose from 55 permanent colors, each available in 4 different yarn thicknesses: Maxi, Medium, Mini, and Micro. One of Bobilon's biggest advantages is that you can keep the exact shade you love while choosing the perfect thickness for your project. Whether you're making a basket, a stylish handbag, a crochet rug, a lightweight summer hat, there's a Bobilon thickness designed to help you achieve exactly the result you're looking for. And when that color is Apricot Crush, every project feels warm, fresh, and full of summer charm. It's a beautiful shade you'll enjoy using again and again. Choose your favorite color, pick the perfect thickness, and create something beautiful with Bobilon.